Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about GetUTCMilliseconds. So it's part of the date object as usual. So what this method does is return the millisecond in the specified date according to that time. So you know, I'm gonna return the local time of that place. So what we're gonna do is moving on is first remove the other date and use the date constructor to create a date. In this format we do not gonna not gonna use the usual way, and this time what we're gonna do is use 2019 01 01 01 T03, and next is going to get G4, and after that 05 dot 678 Z. Keep in mind though, the alphabet must be an uppercase, so this is what it does. And now the thing is, this is it not gonna use this kind of thing, and check the hours, milliseconds. This, and those who don't know, this is another way to set up the format of dates. And yeah, it what the heck, man? Oh yeah, date 1. So so 678, which is there, but one thing though, the location in here is always gonna do the world another millisecond. So no matter over you are, it doesn't matter, because the milliseconds are gonna the same. Time passes the same way, so milliseconds gonna same. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.